Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. File Finder, and welcome to your Better Session Com tutorial on how to restore files in Windows 7 with the built-in backup and restore. Now, if you've used the backup and restore to back up files, you can easily restore files if you should need to. Just click on Start, Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on System and Security, and then we can click here on Backup and Restore. Now that comes up, shows you your backup location, how much space is free, when your next backup is scheduled, when the last backup was done, the contents of your backup, what the schedule is, and so on. Down here is Restore My Files. Now you can go in and restore all of your files, or perhaps maybe you deleted a file or changed a file and you just want to restore one file. So let's do that. You can search or you can browse for files. Now it's bringing up my backup location. I'm going to click there. Let's pick Documents. And we'll just pick this file, Test1. Say Add Files. It's adding it to the ones that will be restored. So now we'll click Next. And then another cool feature is that you can restore your files to the original location, or you can put them in a new location. So we'll restore it to the original location, and now it tells us your files have been restored. We click Finish, close out of this, and we're done. So with Windows Backup and Restore in Windows 7, it's easy to quickly restore a single file, multiple files, or all of your files and folders in just a few mouse clicks. And that's all there is to it.